work?
Yeah.
But this one is good for agua. Which one okay?
This is waterproof.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so ready, drill more?
Here.
Here we go. Okay. Maybe
One more in the center. Easy, John.
Ooh, easy money, Oscar. Easy money.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh,
Solid.
that's solid. You know, let's do 2 more right here.
Okay.
You have more screw?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the SDS drill bit to get. What size is this baby? I like this SDS drill bit. Let's see what size this is. Ooh, hot. Ooh. There we go. This thing, made in Germany, ANSI 532. 532, excelente. What's that? T25? Oh, have to open. T25. The T25 work good?
Yeah. Good.
All right, T25 and an SDS 532 is the tools you need.